Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most popular programming languages, Python. With its versatility and ease of use, Python has become a favorite among programmers, data scientists, and AI enthusiasts alike. In this video, we will discuss how you can learn Python programming in 2023 and stay up to date with the latest trends and developments. Part 1. Getting started with Python. The first step in learning Python is to download and install the latest version of Python on your computer. You can download it from the official Python website or use a package manager like Anaconda. Once you have Python installed, you can start writing and executing Python code. To get a hang of the basics, you can start with simple programs like printing "Hello World" on the console or performing basic arithmetic operations. Part 2. Python data structures. After getting comfortable with Python syntax, you can move on to learning about data structures like lists, tuples, and dictionaries. These data structures are essential to understanding more complex programming concepts and building useful applications. Part 3. Python libraries and frameworks. Python has a vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks that can make your life easier and help you build more advanced applications. Some popular libraries include NumPy for numerical computing, Pandas for data analysis, and Matplotlib for data visualization. You can also explore popular web frameworks like Django and Flask for building web applications. Part 4. Building projects. One of the best ways to learn any programming language is by building projects. You can start with small projects like building a calculator or a to-do list app and gradually move on to more complex projects like building a web application or a machine learning model. Part 5. Staying up to date. Python is a constantly evolving language, with new features and improvements being added regularly. To stay up to date, you can follow popular Python blogs, attend conferences and meetups, and participate in online communities like Reddit and Stack Overflow. You can also explore new tools and technologies like Jupyter Notebooks, which have gained popularity in recent years. Conclusion. So that's it for today's video on how to learn Python programming in 2023. We hope this video was helpful and informative. Remember, learning a programming language is a continuous process, and it takes time and effort to become proficient. So, keep practicing and exploring new avenues, and you'll soon be on your way to becoming a Python pro. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.